Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to crochet this beautiful star. You can use this star for different projects. So let's get started. I am using a 4mm crochet hook for my project and this 4-ply soft yarn. So first of all, wrap the yarn around the first two fingers and then with the help of crochet hook make a magic ring, and now we would work into this magic ring. So make chain 1 and then chain 2. After that, wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this magic ring and draw a loop. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, so pull the yarn through first 2 loops and after that pull the yarn through 2 loops. This is our double crochet stitch. Now make double crochet again into the magic ring. This is double crochet 2. Now make double crochet 3. After that make double crochet 4 into the magic ring and then make double crochet 5 into the magic ring. So in this way we would make total of 15 double crochet stitches into the magic ring. So I have made 15 double crochet stitches into the magic ring. Now pull this starting yarn end and close this magic ring. Now make a slip stitch at the top of first double crochet stitch to close this circle. Now this is the first round. And now we would make corner of the star. For that make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4. After these 4 chains we would work at the back ridge of every chain. So this is the back ridge. Look again, this is the back ridge and we would work a single crochet into the first back ridge of the chain. After that wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into the back ridge of second chain and draw a loop. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, so pull the yarn through all 3 loops together. So this is our half double crochet stitch, and now we would do a double crochet stitch into the third chain back ridge. So now pull the yarn through 2 loops and then pull the yarn through 2 loops. So this is our double crochet stitch, and now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook 2 times, go into the back ridge of last chain and then pull the yarn through 2 loops, pull the yarn through 2 loops and then pull the yarn through last 2 loops. So now skip 2 chains, skip 2 stitches and into the third double crochet stitch we would make a slip stitch. So make a slip stitch into the third double crochet stitch. So this is our first star side. For the second one make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4 and repeat the first corner process. Go into the back ridge of first chain and we would do a single crochet into the back ridge of first chain. So make a single crochet into the first chain and then half double crochet into the second one, a double crochet into the back ridge of third one and then a treble or triple crochet into the back ridge of last chain and then again skip 2 double crochet stitches, and into the third one make slip stitch. So in this way we would make other 3 corners of the stars also. So I have made other 3 corners of star. Now make a slip stitch into the third double crochet stitch and pull the yarn. Cut it with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. Now weave this yarn end at the back side of star. I have woven this yarn end. Now cut these both yarn ends with the help of cutter and remove these extra yarn strand. Now we have to add bead. For adding bead we would use same color 3-ply yarn and with the help of yarn needle from back side go at the upper side of star and leave this yarn tail 4 to 5 inches. Join the bead and pull the yarn needle at the back side of star. Don't pull it too tightly. Now in this way 2 to 3 times pull this yarn needle through up and down back side and into the bead, and after that to secure the work we would make knots of these 2 yarn ends. So now make 2 to 3 knots. First of all pull these 2 yarn ends a little bit and then make a knots 2 to 3 times to secure your work. Knot 1 time, knot 2 time, and then knot 3 time. Now cut these yarn ends also and the star is ready. You can use this star on fabric, on different bags and any other project, like you can use it in headbands also. So if you like these designs, give this video a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.